Imagine, if you will, a world that's constantly changing, an environment posing new challenges and opportunities for its inhabitants every single day. How do the creatures that inhabit this world continue to thrive and adapt in the face of these changes? Welcome to the intriguing world of natural selection. At its core, natural selection is a simple concept. It's the process through which traits that enhance an organism's chances of survival and reproduction are more likely to be passed on to the next generation. This process, first proposed by Charles Darwin, is a fundamental mechanism in the process of biological evolution. So, where does the variety of traits come from? The answer lies in genetic variation and mutation. Genetic variation is the diversity of genes within a population. This diversity is introduced through mutation, a random process that alters the DNA sequence, creating new genetic variations. While most mutations are neutral or harmful, occasionally they can result in beneficial traits. Now, imagine a field of cassava plants. Some of these plants possess a gene that makes them resistant to disease. These plants are more likely to survive, reproduce, and pass this advantageous trait to their progeny. Over time, the frequency of this beneficial trait increases within the population. On the other hand, consider sea turtles. Those with excellent navigation skills or efficient swimming abilities have a higher chance of survival and reproduction. As these traits are passed on to subsequent generations, they become more common within the population. Even in our local environment, we can see examples of natural selection at work. The peppered moth is a classic case. Dark-colored moths had a survival advantage in polluted environments, leading to an increase in their frequency. Similarly, the color variation in flowers, influenced by the feeding preferences of goats, demonstrates how selective forces can shape the genetic diversity of a population. It's crucial to distinguish between natural and artificial selection. While both involve the propagation of beneficial traits, natural selection is driven by environmental factors and survival advantages. In contrast, artificial selection is directed by human intervention, where individuals with desired traits are intentionally bred. In summary, natural selection, acting on genetic variation, is a powerful and dynamic process that shapes the diversity of life on Earth. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature, ensuring the survival of the fittest in an ever-changing world. So, the next time you marvel at the diversity of life around you, remember, it's all thanks to the fascinating process of natural selection.